Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make onion oil for natural hair growth. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Let's get started. Here I have my onion, a medium-sized onion, and wash it with water. And I cut out the back, the peel, the first layer. After peeling it off, then I wash it and use a tissue paper to damp the water. Then I cut it into cubes. I'm using hand blender for it, so I'm not using water. I'm not adding water in blending it, so that's why I'm cutting it into cubes so that my hand blender can blend it very well. And I have 1/4 cup of coconut oil. So after cutting into cube, I put it in my jar. Then the 1/4 cup of coconut oil I have, I just added a little to enable me blend very well. And I blended it for a few minutes. Until I got the consistency I wanted. So at this point I turn it, because it's very little, then I'm using a little stainless bowl for it. So after blending, I pour it into the stainless bowl, then add the remaining coconut oil. So I'll gently stir it on a low heat. Remember, on a low heat. Just patiently watch it and turn it. Don't allow it to get burnt. I keep stirring it until the onion dried off, no water in it, and it became a bit crunchy. Then I use my sieve and strain the oil. So at this point, your onion oil is ready. After straining it, I put it in the bottle or container I have, and then start applying it. This I apply it on my hair 2 times a week, and after I'm applying on my hair, I massage my scalp very well. And onion oil is good for hair growth. It's helping growing the hair follicles and helping you retain growth. And because of the smell, I usually add peppermint oil, so that I don't really like the smell of the onion on my hair. So with the help of peppermint oil, I love the smell so much. So if you love this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos and like them. See you next time. Bye.